welcome to another video from Stewie's Adventures. I'm Stewie. This week's video is about my new car. It's not new, it's old. It's 1996 Pajero. I'm selling the Navara. I just cannot see the point of driving a $60,000 car around the bush, scratching it up, and knowing that I have to give the car back because it's a lease car. I shouldn't actually be doing that with that car, but I've had to buff the scratches out of the car a few times, which is not ideal, but anyway. So I bought an old car, and today's video is about this car. I'm calling her Stormy. A couple of reasons. Well, one reason really, she's been around for a while. She's seen some tracks. She's done the Tanamar with the previous owners. She's been up to Ayers Rock. She's done the Flinders and the border track. She's done all over the northern of South Australia. I'm in South Australia, and yeah, so like she's done Birdsville. She did the Big Red in one go. So it's a pretty capable car. I didn't pay less than $3 grand for it. So I'll show you some of the benefits of this car, the features. It's got a nice 2-inch lift, which is probably one of the better things on the car. So yeah, hope you enjoy the show. Hit subscribe and like, and yeah, thank you. So it's a V6 motor. Yeah, I know, people should have said to me already I should have got a diesel, but I don't think I would have been able to buy a diesel for the price that I paid for this car. So tow bar, snatch point there. I put my awning on the side. Yeah, she looks pretty good. Okay, so I've got all my camping gear in the back already. This is going to be a budget car. I'm not spending a lot of money on it, hence the reason why the Allen key holds that. Got the old fridge slide. I use the old fridge mate, 70 litres, fridge freezer. Got a whole heap of junk in here already. Oh, turn the handle. There you go. That locks so that won't move too much. And the door shuts. So it's got one spare tire in the back. I've got another one in the garage, which if I need, I'll throw on the roof. I don't know how I'm going to get them off because I don't know if anyone's ever lifted one of these tires. They're bloody heavy. So fingers crossed I never get a puncture. So at the front of the car, a nice big bull bar. It's made for a winch, and there is a spot down the bottom here that could have a winch. That was taken out and replaced. Well, never replaced. It was put into another car, that winch. The bonnet is a bit rough. Yeah, well, it's $2,500 car. Like, come on, who cares? So you get more scratches than that. So yeah, it looks like it would go anywhere. The power's not too bad. It's it's not as powerful as the Navara at the back there, but it's 23 years old. I think I might have to do some servicing on it. Do that in the next couple of weeks, and then maybe hit some tracks. So under the bonnet, it's got a dual battery system, so I can actually jump start the car off this one here. This should be good. Yeah, look, it's pretty old, it's pretty dirty, and that's after giving it a clean. So, look, it's a motor. I don't really know. Not that really interested either. As long as it just keeps going, I don't care. So here's the car going. The idle's okay. You see, it's working alright. Under $3,000, how can you go wrong? One of the good things in this car, you push this little lever here, you can get a compressor. How cool is that? Right, I'll turn it off. So what I've done, I pulled one seat up and left the other seat down. That's for my daughter, she loves to come around. But when I'm on my own and doing my own thing, I will be putting that seat up and filling that up full of stuff. So in the old fishing tub here, I've got some tools. I've got the another compressor here, got a couple of deck chairs, fishing rod holders here, got a ground sheet here with some spare parts underneath. Back in the back again, I've got my peaks down here. I've got my snatch stuff here. A bit sick. The old tent that goes underneath the awning there, and the tub. And a lot of tools in the back there. Under the front seat, I've got a tyre deflator and the hose for put the pressure back into the tyres. Take them out. So like I say, she's in pretty good nick, but so it's only going to be bashed around the bush. The window film's starting to come off, but here's what it is. Nice big lift. I've already been underneath it once and trying to adjust a bolt, and yeah, it started to hurt my neck. So it's fairly high compared to the Navara. So I can get up to about here and here somewhere where this gold line is in water. Any higher than that, I'll have to put a snorkel on it, which you can pick those up on eBay pretty cheap. This is going to be a budget car. I'm not going to spend no more than $4,000 on this car. This car will never cost me more than $4,000 with toys. So some of those toys might include some Max Tracks, a winch, I don't know, what else? Maybe a new CV radio. I've pretty much got all the camping gear anyway, so the shovel will go into the roof rack there somewhere. Maybe some shovel mounts. What I will do is put a fishing rod holder system above the awning there. So just get a 90mm tube from Bunnings or whatever, maybe paint it black, I don't know. And then put the fishing rods there, because putting the fishing rods in the back of the car, they're going to get damaged, and nobody wants that. So the side steps, they're pretty strong. They're not rock sliders, but they are pretty strong. They've got a few dings in them. The car's got a few scratches, which is, it's part of the fun. But generally, she's not a bad car. So the bull bar, she's pretty strong. It's an old track four-wheel drive bull bar, I think. I don't know. What does it say here? B-O-C, Bocar, B-O-C-A-R. Oh, well, there you go. So, V6, see how it goes against the petrol. I do feel it's a bit sluggish compared to the Navara, but that's going next Friday, so I'm going to miss that car, because that was good fun. But I can't justify driving around the bush in a $60,000 car when you can do the same in a $2,500 car. And that thing over there would go anywhere by just pushing buttons. Well, this is going to make me have to drive. This is about me driving properly now. So, and I have absolutely no idea about forward driving. So, good luck to me, hey? Yeah, so let me know what you think about the car. Have you got an old car that's a budget build? Like I say, we're not going to spend a lot of money on this car. It's just a bit of fun. Oh, yeah, it needs new window wipers as well. So, yeah, they're crap. But yeah, let me know what you think. Hit subscribe, hit like, and see you on the tracks.